I have a super tiny one in the space of the IDE that we'll show real quick. Been working on like some small improvements that on my spare time, and I was able to find a new YAML parser for CodeMirror, and that enables like some code folding in like the YAML. And so here it works in the model file, so you can collapse topics easily. It's not there's no state stored here, anything. So if you like revisit the file and refresh, it doesn't do it. But if you're working in it, it's pretty nice. It works.
Jared, would
on
this make it possible to like collapse all topics, for example, so you could just see
Yeah,
like the topic headers and stuff
yeah.
like
So
that?
that's what I'm going to be taking on next before this isn't shipped yet. This is just like locally
Yeah,
testing
yeah.
here. It works in view
That'd be
files.
huge.
It doesn't quite work in relationship files yet, so I want to make sure that that works too. If I can get it figured out, it might need a little bit of custom parsing here. I think it's like this slash here. It's not quite reading it. It did change the way that the text is parsed here. So like the syntax highlighting is slightly different. So maybe to do a poke at that if we want to keep it or there. And then yeah, the next stage is I want to like they have like fold all or unfold all functions that we can call, and so I want to work with that. So it's like one click, you can get everything out of the way and then like go expand what you want. But I may just like ship the first version of this and like so you can manually go do it if it takes too much time to go like get all those functions out. I'll just spend some time today on it. But this will be another nice quality of life improvement in the IDE just to kind of collapse some of these bigger files. Thanks to Nate yesterday for spending some time with me to walk me through some of this. So